Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Me classes. So our today's topic of MCQ is surveying. So we'll be dealing with all the questions related to surveying. So our first question is a check line in a chain surveying checks the accuracy of the framework. Second question, a plane scale is used to read two dimensions. The method of measuring distance by pacing is chiefly used in reconnaissance surveys. Direct ranging is possible only when the end stations are mutually intervisible. When the measured length is less than the actual length, the error is known as negative error. The tension at which the effects of pull and sag for a tape are neutralized is known as normal tension. A plumb bob is required. All of the above when measuring distances along slopes, for accurate centering of theodolite, for testing the verticality of ranging poles. When the length of chain used in measuring distance is longer than the standard length, the error in measured distance will be negative error. Chain surveying consists of the arrangement of framework of triangles, because a triangle is the simple plane figure which can be plotted uniquely if three sides of the triangle are known. The accuracy in laying down the perpendicular offsets and in measuring them depends upon the scale of plotting, length of the offset, importance of the object, all of these. The horizon glass in an optical square is half silvered and half unsilvered. The obstacle which obstructs vision but not chaining is a hill. The true or geographical meridians through the various stations converge to the horizontal angle between the true meridian and magnetic meridian is known as magnetic decline. When the object lies on the left hand side of the chain line, then while taking offset with an optical square, it is held in right hand upright. In a whole circle system, the bearing of a line is measured always clockwise from south point to reference meridian towards the line right around the circle, clockwise or anti-clockwise from east or west, clockwise or anti-clockwise from north or south, none of the above. Due to magnetic influence of the earth, the magnetic needle of the prismatic compass to be inclined downward towards the pole. The inclination of the needle with the horizontal is known as dip. Which of the following statement is wrong? The magnetic meridian coincides with true meridian at all places. The magnetic meridian does not vary from place to place. The magnetic declination at a point is constant. All of the above. All are wrong. In plane surveying, the survey extends over small areas. An average length of a pace is 80 cm. The angle between the back tangent and forward tangent of a curve is known as angle of intersection. The error in measured length due to sag of chain or tape is known as positive error. A line joining the apex of a triangle to some fixed point on the opposite side is called as check line. The length of peg interval for flat curves is 30 meter. Chain surveying is most suitable when area to be surveyed is small, ground is fairly level and open with simple details. Plans are required for on a large scale. All of the above. The instrument used for setting out an offset at a right angle is called open cross tab. The optical square is used to measure angles by reflection. The line in which the plane passing through the given point and the north and south pole intersect the surface of earth is called true meridian. The instrument attached to the wheel of a vehicle in order to measure the distance travelled is called odometer. The horizontal angle between the true meridian and a survey line is called azimuth. The lines of Earth's magnetic field run from north to south. The theodolite is an instrument used for measuring very accurately horizontal and vertical angles. In surveying telescope, crosshairs are fitted in front of the eyepiece. When the image formed by the objective is not situated in the plane of crosshairs, the objective should be focused. For removing the parallax, The eyepiece should be focused for distinct vision. The image of the object should be brought in the plane of crosshairs. So both A and B is the correct answer. The representative fraction 1 by 2500 means this scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 25 meter. The ratio of the focal length of the objective to that of an eyepiece of a telescope is called its magnification. An angle measured clockwise from the preceding survey line to the following survey line is called direct angle. If a chain is used at a temperature higher than known, the temperature at which it was calibrated, then the error in measured length is negative. So the correct option is higher than known. The obstacle which obstructs chaining but not vision is a river. So the degree of the curve of the angle subtended by a chord of 30 meter. The lines passing through points at which magnetic declination is equal at a given time are called isogonic lines. The process of turning the telescope of a theodolite over its supporting axis through 180 degree in a vertical plane is called reversing. The capacity of a telescope of producing a sharp image is called its definition. The power of a telescope to form distinguishable images of objects separated by small angular distance is called its resolving power. Thank you so much for being with us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Ssc Classes. We have crash course for all civil engineering subjects, general studies, learn mapping with us, then data analysis.